Aquasana water filters are best known for intelligent engineering. The goal of an Aquasana well water filtration and softener alternative system is to maximize the filtration media for ultimate performance. You receive a premium installation and filter media kit, plus high-quality components. If you want clean, clear, fresh-tasting well water for less than 1 cent per gallon, count on a few unique features and benefits of the Aquasana's unique Upflow dual tank design. Increased water contact with the contaminant-grabbing media to prevent clogging. There's a sediment pre-filter, salt-free water conditioner, activated carbon filter, post-filter, UV filter. All fittings are solid brass. Aquasana uses a salt-free technology to maximize contaminant reduction, making the Aquasana the best whole-house water softener system for well water. All that's left behind you in your home's water is healthy minerals. The Aquasana weighs 97 pounds and measures 69 inches wide, 10.5 inches deep, and 57 inches high. Aquasana filters 500,000 gallons of well water and removes up to 97% sediment reduction. There's a 90-day satisfaction money-back guarantee from the date of purchase. Here are the pros: prevents clogging and mineral binding. Premium well water filter media. There's a 5-year or 500,000 gallon guarantee. And here are the cons: expensive installation cost, a 1-year warranty voided if DIY installed.